My name is Priyanka and I am the South Asia in-country representative from University of Missouri St. Louis. We are a public research university and a tier 1 institution. A tier 1 institution, that means is we are amongst the top ranked university if you will check the world report ranking. So out of the other institutions we come as top 6% worldwide. So before I actually start with the session and let you know about our programs, about COVID-19 situation right now in St. Louis and Missouri or USA, and why you should choose University of Missouri St. Louis, before that I would like to thank Absolute Education and Overseas team for giving me this opportunity to go live and speak to you all. They have got their office in District Ludhiana. You can get in touch with them by visiting their office or by speaking to them over the phone. And the director is Kapil Chawla, so you can very well get in touch with them if you're interested for an admission with University of Missouri St. Louis. As I mentioned, we're a tier 1 and top 6% institution worldwide. So हमारा academic quality is so great कि I would say कि more than 94% of our recent graduate, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ा number है कि more than 94% either they get into the job market या वो further education या they start with the volunteering business or something of that sort within a short stint of time. So you can understand कि कितना high weightage होने वाला है degree का. And we just not only believe in the academic quality or bringing in the academic quality in you, we believe in overall transformation. So we support our students for each and everything. So we have dedicated teams and dedicated departments for that. Example, our international student services team is there for each and every support, be it आपको कुछ visa concern है या transport का कुछ issue है, residence का कुछ issue है, then they are there to help you out. There is SPOC for you, single point of contact for all your basic support, whatever you do need. And then our career services team, they are there to help you out with the interview preparation, resume building. In fact, they also organize career fairs twice a year on the campus, जिसमें कि आप एम्प्लॉयर से मिल सकते हैं, रेज्यूमे शेयर कर सकते हैं फॉर योर इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एज वेल एज फॉर दी वर्क ऑप्शंस लाइक विच वी कॉल एज पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क करने के लिए जब आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस गेन करने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, दैट इज़ अंडर अ पीरियड ऑफ OPT. OPT stands for optional practical training. मतलब कि it is an option for you to actually go for it or not and gain a practical training, practical experience related to your studies. उस टाइम ड्यूरेशन में आप फुल टाइम काम कर सकते हैं, एक्सपीरियंस गेन कर सकते हैं. सो OPT जो है सारे ही स्टूडेंट्स को अप टू 1 ईयर मिलती है आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ डिग्री. हाउएवर जो भी स्टूडेंट्स STEM प्रोग्राम होल्डर्स होते हैं या जिन्होंने STEM फील्ड्स में स्टडी करी होती है, सो STEM स्टैंड्स फॉर साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैथ, they can get their OPT extended for another 2 years and make it up to 3 years. So मतलब कि आप up to 3 years USA में काम कर सकते हैं अगर आप STEM program holders हैं. And we are a public research university. We have a lot of programs which are STEM based program, but I would not say कि non-STEM program नहीं सही होते हैं. So they are also of equally advantage and equally important in the society because हर type के occupations की, हर type के career options are available. So we have over 50 bachelors and 40 masters program. So चाहे आप किसी भी background से क्यों ना हो, चाहे आप arts background से हो, commerce background से हो, PCM हो, biology हो, या vocational, आप किसी भी background से, we have program options for all of you. So do not worry. Over 100 programs है, चाहे economics, accounting, business, marketing, finance, psychology, philosophy, education, cyber security, computer sciences, information system technology. So huge list. So we have a lot of programs in nutshell, if I would say. If you have any questions, please put down in the comment box and I will be happy to answer your questions. Or otherwise, if you want to get in touch with me, आप Absolute Education and Overseas की टीम से बात कर सकते हैं. And you can ask them for whatever support you need regarding University of Missouri St. Louis. अगर आप Absolute Education टीम के थ्रू अप्लाई करेंगे University of Missouri St. Louis में, even the application fee which is of $40, that's been waived off. So you need not to pay that $40 of application fee also for our Jan 2021 intake, which we call as spring intake. So you need not to even pay for that. Even application fees is waiver. So nothing is to be paid to the university before the visa grant. After visa grant हो जाएगा उसके बाद आपको university के tuition fee pay करनी है, not before that. And also when we talk about tuition, we are offering wonderful scholarship options for all of you. डिपेंडिंग ऑन द परसेंटेज, स्कॉलरशिप का सिर्फ एक क्राइटेरिया है, योर परसेंटेज. बेटर द परसेंटेज इज, the better the scholarship you're going to earn. So undergraduate students ko we are offering scholarship starting from $6,000 and it goes up to $12,000, and for graduate students $5,000 से $6,000 तक की scholarship है. And I would like to let you know about the location because that's the most important part, because university in any case we are a tier 1 top notch university, academic quality हमारी बहुत अच्छी है. But St. Louis का क्या फ़ायदा है आपको? So St. Louis is a county in Missouri. Missouri एक state है USA में, out of the other states of USA. So St. Louis में बहुत कुछ explore करने को. It is full of life, very vibrant town I would say. So St. Louis में there are so many attractions जहाँ पर घूमने के लिए, Beach Gateway Park, there are so many games, so many activities which keeps on happening. It is a metropolitan area, and you will all agree the benefits to stay in a metropolitan area. And not just a metro area, I would say it is amongst the 20 largest metropolitan areas of the USA. And at the same time, आप metro area में रहेंगे, but the cost is not way too high as compared to any other metropolitan area of the USA. Metropolitan area होने की वजह से populated area है, काम ढूंढने में आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगी. There are good number of organizations out there, be it startups. So there are a lot of startups in St. Louis, and as per St. Louis Mosaic project, there are many startups which are going to come up in St. Louis. And also बड़ी organizations की अगर हम बात करें जिनके headquarters हैं St. Louis में, so there are 14 companies, 14 groups or 14 organizations as such, जिन लोगों जो कि Fortune 1000 companies हैं, उनके headquarters हैं हमारे उनके headquarters है St. Louis में. And there are so many medium-sized organizations also. In fact, a company called Express Script is a very big pharmaceutical company. They have got the headquarters right there in our campus. And St. Louis radio station की अगर हम if I talk about University of Missouri St. Louis partners in that. So काम को लेकर भी not necessarily you will need to leave St. Louis because there are ample work options. It's just you need to be skilled enough to actually get those jobs, grab those jobs, and to grab those jobs you should be networked enough with people from your industry. उसके लिए आपको प्रॉपर गाइडेंस मिलती है फ्रॉम योर प्रोफेसर्स कि आप डिफरेंट कॉन्फ्रेंसेज ज्वाइन करें, कनेक्ट विद द इंडस्ट्री पीपल, कनेक्ट विद द इंडस्ट्री लीडर्स, वेयर इन यू ऑल्सो गेट द नॉलेज दैट व्हाट इज़ इन, व्हाट इज़ न्यू. अपार्ट फ्रॉम जो स्किल सेट गेन करना है, वी आर देयर फॉर यू. यूनिवर्सिटी मिजूरी एकेडमिक प्रोग्राम्स आर बिल्ड अप इन सच अ वे, हमारा करिकुलम इज बिल्ड अप इन सच अ वे विच इज़ गोइंग टू बेनिफिट यू एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म you as an overall person to gain a proper kind of education which is needed, meeting the career goals which whatever you have. करियर गोल्स के लिए एकेडमिक एडवाइजिंग टीम है जो कि आपकी हेल्प करेगी चूज़ करने, पिक करने अपने सब्जेक्ट जो भी आप करना चाहते हैं. We have very strong India subcontinent community also in St. Louis. We have India Association of St. Louis. We have महात्मा गांधी सेंटर जहाँ पे आप इंडियन कम्युनिटी से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. उसके अलावा we have cricket leagues. If you're fond of watching movies and theatre, so you will not be missing out the same in St. Louis because regular 14 movie shows are shown in AMC Classic Cinema. Then also all the major festivals, be it Holi, Diwali, Republic Day, everything is celebrated. If you're fond of food, love your Indian food, you won't be missing on that because we have 5 grocery stores, India subcontinent grocery store within 30 to 40 minutes to drive. Maggi lena hai ya Haldiram snacks or whatever you want to get, biscuits or whatever, you will easily be able to find that in St. Louis. We have Sikh temple, we have Hindu temple, Buddhist temple, all available in St. Louis within 30 to 40 minutes of drive. So आप अपना culture, अपनी route भी miss out नहीं करेंगे while staying in St. Louis because it's such a nicely located area with people from all throughout the world. It is amongst the 3rd fastest foreign born populated area. अगर 3rd fastest foreign born populated area इसका मतलब है कितने सारे foreigners around हैं. आपको जो exposure मिलने वाला है, जो learning मिलने वाला है by being with people from different part of the world, to know them, to understand them, वो आपको एक overall transformation देने वाला है आपकी personality में. So that's what you're gonna earn in St. Louis. And when I talk about our admission requirement, University of Missouri की admission requirement, because the location has got everything. It is cost effective, it is safe because there are so many people around, and connectivity wise all the mode of transport is available. There are so many foreigners, so racism भी concern नहीं है. And then the people are so nice, they're very friendly, very nice around, so you will get to learn also a lot with them, understand about their culture, enjoy their festivals. So बहुत कुछ है. So I would say it's an answer. Work options की भी कमी नहीं है. And University of Missouri में admission के लिए what do we need? 58% होने चाहिए आपके ग्रेड 12 में अगर आप अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट हैं. IELTS, PTE, TOEFL, Duolingo, everything is accepted. IELTS overall 5.5, does not matter what is your individual band score. And then TOEFL at 61, PTE in academics we are looking at 44. Duolingo, which is an online English, so 85 and 90 for Duolingo. This is for undergraduate, very simple requirement. For a graduate, it varies, the requirement varies from 68 to 70%. And I'll recommend please get in touch with the Absolute Education team to let you know about the requirement for masters, because masters में थोड़ी सी prerequisites हैं, requirements. कहीं पे GRE GMAT की requirement है, कहीं it is waived off because of COVID-19 situation, and at some places GRE is mandatory. Some places any background student can apply. To give an example, like our MSIST program, Masters of Science in Information System Technology. So be it you're a management student, be it you're a marketing student, be it you are a business student, or be it you're an information system student or engineering, any background student can actually go for this program. Percentage is 68%. We do not accept beyond 3 backlogs. Up to 3 backlogs are accepted. Education gap भी accept हो रहा है. Recommended is up to 5 years is what I will say. So recommended education gap is 5 years for the graduate students and undergraduate के लिए 3 years. So on the basis of this, you can get an admission IELTS 6.0 and above if your percentage is above 70%. So even IELTS 6.0 is acceptable for MSIST program. Now our Masters in Science and Computer Sciences program, we want you to be from a computer sciences background, and again not more than 3 backlogs, 68% plus IELTS 6.5 overall and above equivalent to that. Our MS in Supply Chain and Analytics, all these programs are STEM based programs which gives you an additional 2 years of OPT. So जो हमारा Masters in Science and Supply Chain Analytics, again you can be either from engineering, management, logistics, operations background, and you can go for this program. So all of you are welcome to actually go for this program. Again, IELTS the requirement is 6.5 and above. We have biochemistry, biotechnology, biology, chemistry, so we want you all to be from a similar background at an undergraduate level. GRE and GMAT is waived off for these programs. We have MS in economics, so for economics we want you to have GRE. So as I mentioned, different programs ke requirements are different. You can visit our website, which is www.umsl, University of Missouri St. Louis.edu, or you can get in touch with the Absolute Education team. They will be in a position to help you, or if you want to talk to me, you can ask the team to get in touch with me. I'll be happy to connect with you over the phone, Skype, or whatever would be the best medium of communication. I'll be happy to connect with you. So काफ़ी सारा, as I mentioned, wide range of program options. I repeat, be it computer sciences, criminology, criminal justice, international business. We rank top 25 nationally for our international undergraduate business program as per US News and World Report ranking. Our criminology and criminal justice, the graduate program, we are best 5 in the nation. So in fact हमारे programs भी काफ़ी high ranked है. We have an undergraduate engineering program, civil, electrical and mechanical, which is best 100 out of the schools which do not offer PhD as a track. So this is a joint engineering program with Washington University of St. Louis. So all in all, engineering we do cover. We have computer sciences, cyber security, psychology, philosophy, social work. Studio art is there, dance is there, drama is there, theatre is there. So we have whole lists of program options for you. English, history, if you're looking at for languages also, so we do have that. So a lot of programs are, I would say, those they are available for you, which you can actually choose from. फीस जैसे मैंने आपको स्कॉलरशिप्स का ऑलरेडी बता दिया है. अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स को $6,000 से लेकर $14,000 तक की स्कॉलरशिप दे रहे हैं. जो अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स की अप्रॉक्सीमेट फीस रहती है, बिकॉज एग्जैक्ट फी कैलकुलेटेड होती है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ क्रेडिट जो आप चूज़ करो. सो जो अप्रॉक्सीमेट फीस रहती है वो रहती है $23,690. इसमें से देन यू कैन माइनस दी स्कॉलरशिप. स्कॉलरशिप का एक ही क्राइटेरिया है, योर परसेंटेज. जो जितनी बेटर स्कॉलरशिप होगी उतना बेटर आपको स्कॉलरशिप मिल जाएगा. एंड देन ग्रेजुएट लेवल के लिए हम लोग $5,000 to $6,000 की स्कॉलरशिप दे रहे हैं. एंड फीस इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली $22,390. एग्जैक्ट फीस कैलकुलेटेड होगी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ क्रेडिट जो आप चूज करोगे. सो दिस इज अबाउट आवर फी विच इज़ देयर विद अस. एंड आप सबको पता होगा कि यूएसए में जब आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं, यूएस इंटरव्यू इज इंटरव्यू बेस्ड, सो डू नॉट वरी. एब्सोल्यूट एजुकेशन की टीम इज़ देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट, टू प्रिपेयर यू फॉर द इंटरव्यू कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, टू सो दैट यू हैव द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर टू बी गिवन. आई एम देयर टू इंश्योर कि आपको यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मिजूरी के बारे में, आपके प्रोग्राम आउटकम्स के बारे में सब कुछ पता हो. I will be also taking your mock sessions and helping you out with the interview preparations to ensure that you are well equipped and well aware of everything related to your program and about the university. एंड बेस्ट पार्ट इसकी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन ज़्यादा नहीं है यूएसए के में. आप जब यूएसए के वीज़ा इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं आपको मेजरली 4 डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेके जाने होते हैं, एक्सेप्ट फ्यू कॉन्सुलेट्स इफ दे आस्क फॉर कोविड-19 टेस्ट, दैट्स सेपरेट. सो 4 डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो आपको लेके जाने हैं, दैट इज़ योर DS-160 जो किसको हम वीज़ा अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर कहते हैं कि आज मेरा वीज़ा इंटरव्यू है. सो दैट्स एन अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर. सेकेंड इज़ योर पासपोर्ट. थर्ड इज़ योर I-20 जो कि आपको इंस्टीट्यूशन से मिलता है, लाइक यूनिवर्सिटी मिजूरी सेंट लुइस will give you the I-20, that is your admission letter. And fourth is student exchange and visitor information system, SEVIS की receipt कि मैंने उसकी payment कर दी है, SEVIS payment I have made, so this is the receipt. So these are the 4 documents which you need to carry along when you actually go for the visa interview. Nothing beyond that. अगर आपको academics carry करने, ITR carry करने, bank statement carry करने, you can please do that, no issues, but keep that in a separate folder because embassy says these are the 4 documents which they need. So you can keep that as the backup, otherwise it is not needed. Admission के लिए we are very quick in giving the offer letters. For undergraduate students we are giving the decision letter or the offer letter within 4 business days. और graduate students के लिए 10 to 15 days because हमें prerequisites match करने पड़ते हैं as per our US education system. So 10 to 15 days for graduate student is what we are giving the offer letters. So once you receive the offer letter, that goes to the student email ID. You have to accept and send it back to us. उसके बाद वी हैव फेज वाइज स्कॉलरशिप. अब आपको स्कॉलरशिप लेटर जाता है, आपको स्कॉलरशिप लेटर एक्सेप्ट करके हमें भेजना है. एंड देन द थर्ड स्टेप्स कम, दैट इज ऑफ योर I-20, क्योंकि आजकल सॉफ्ट कॉपी ऑफ I-20, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक I-20 इज ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेबल. सो हम I-20 आपकी ईमेल एड्रेस पे देंगे. पहले इट यूज टू बी शिप फ्रॉम USA. देन यू कैन एक्चुअली गो अहेड एंड अप्लाई फॉर द वीज़ा. I-20 के लिए हमें आपकी बैंक स्टेटमेंट, पासपोर्ट एंड एफिडेविट ऑफ सपोर्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट दोबारा होती है. सो बैंक स्टेटमेंट में डज नॉट मैटर कि आपके फंड्स कितने दिन पुराने हैं. फंड्स कैन बी 10 days ओल्ड, 15 days ओल्ड, 1 month ओल्ड, 6 months ओल्ड, डज नॉट मैटर. क्या मैटर करता है कि आपके फंड्स पूरे होने चाहिए. सेकेंड इज़ कि हमें बैंक स्टेटमेंट जो चाहिए वो लास्ट 6 months की चाहिए, कि आपके लास्ट 6 months का हमें रिकॉर्ड चाहिए होता है बैंक स्टेटमेंट में. पुराने फंड्स हो तो प्रेफरेबल, इट इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर. बट हाँ, वी डू नॉट लुक कि 10 लाख रुपीज़ ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आपके अकाउंट में कैसे आ गया. सो एट एन अंडर ग्रेजुएट लेवल वी नीड फंड शो. दिस इज ओनली द फंड शो. यू नीड नॉट टू पे एनीथिंग टू द यूनिवर्सिटी बिफोर द वीज़ा. सो फंड शो इज़ $40,500 फॉर एन अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट, एंड फॉर अ ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट इट इज़ $40,000. सो दिस इज़ द फंड शो. लाइक अब इसमें स्कॉलरशिप अमाउंट भी मेंशन माइनस होता है, बट हम ये स्कॉलरशिप इंक्लूड करके ही फंड शो मेंशन करना होता है आपको, to show it to the embassy that you can actually take care of your expenses while you're there in the USA. इस 40,500 में आपका पर एनम का ट्यूशन फीस, आपका रहना खाना पीना, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, ट्रांसपोर्ट पास, पर्सनल एक्सपेंसेस, वट एवर एक्सपेंस यू कैन थिंक ऑफ, एवरीथिंग इज इंक्लूसिव इन दिस. ट्रांसपोर्ट पास भी है जिसमें आप ट्रैवल करना चाहें वन प्लेस टू अनदर. योर फूड एक्सपेंसेस, एवरीथिंग इसके अंदर हम जो एग्जैगरेटेड अमाउंट वी डू मेंशन इन दैट. सो आई रिपीट, 40,500 फॉर अंडर ग्रेजुएट एंड $40,000 फॉर द ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट. एडमिशन के लिए वी रिक्वायर योर एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, योर ट्रांसक्रिप्ट. बैचलर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सेमेस्टर वाइज एंड कंसोलिडेटेड ट्रांसक्रिप्ट ऑल्सो. 2 letters of recommendations are mandatory for everybody. If you have gap, then we need the justification of gap, be it your resume, experience letter and all that would be needed. Your bank statements would be required at the time of admission as well as before issuing the I-20. So bank statement 2 stage पे requirement रहती है. Your passport, English proficiency test scores, अगर GRE GMAT की requirement है तो GRE GMAT. So these are the basic documentation which we would require for you to get your offer letter and then process your I-20 at a later on stage. I think I've covered up a lot of points about University of Missouri St. Louis. We're a wonderful institution, always ready to help you out, always there to and actually we believe in transforming the life of our students. एंड सेंट लुइस इज एज सच प्लेस कि इतना सारा एक्सपोजर है वहाँ पर टू लर्न, जो कि आपको सिर्फ अकेडमिकली नहीं, ओवरऑल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एज अ पर्सनालिटी में आपको, यू विल एक्सपीरियंस इट बाय योर सेल्फ. एंड वंस यू विल चूज UMSL एंड कंप्लीट योर डिग्री विद यूनिवर्सिटी मिजूरी सेंट लुइस, you will thank yourself for actually making up this decision for choosing University of Missouri St. Louis, because आपको सिर्फ academic learning नहीं मिलेगी, बल्कि जो overall exposure which you gonna earn, that is something, and the experience, because experience ही होता है life में सब कुछ. And the experience, I'm not talking about the work experience, the overall experience of life. So the experience which you're gonna earn, that is something which you will carry all throughout you, and you're going to cherish that and enjoy that all throughout your life. And in fact, once you will say, okay, we used to do this, we used to do that, you will feel so good about your time which you will spend in University of Missouri St. Louis. And काम के लिए ample work options, academic quality is there, everything is there for you actually to there is no reason left why you should not go for University of Missouri St. Louis if you choose US as a study destination. So I think I've covered up all the point, and I would like to thank all those who are listening to me right now and those who will watch my video later. If you want to get in touch with me, I'm available, just a call away. You need to call Absolute Education team. We can fix up the time, and I'll be happy to address your questions and queries for the admission with University of Missouri St. Louis. So thank you all. Thank you for your time. And in the end, I would say, please take care of yourself during this tough time and your